To use the voice access on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to open a settings on our phone, then scroll all the way down until we can find accessibility. Enter it, and right here we can look for interactions and dexterity. There's a voice access right here. Now if you enable it for the first time, then you'll be met with the setup. Make sure to read through it and activate or deactivate options that you don't like, or if you like them, then you can leave them on. Basically, there's plenty of options that you can use, and then when everything is finished, your voice access should be active all the time. If you selected that option, as there's also option that makes it work only with the button. So anyway, when it's on, you can say some commands that you can find below right here. For example, there's go home. So now, as you can see, it's recording everything that I'm saying. Let it finish, and then I will say that command just to prove that it works. Go home. And that is basically everything.